Hello. Before we start with this question here, I am offering tutoring classes from grade 10 to grade 12. So kindly DM this number to get started with our tutoring services. So now let's make C subject of the formula according to the question. So what we have is that we have 5 divided by 7c cubed, which is equals to w minus t over c cubed. So now the first thing that we need to do is that we need to destroy the fractions. So now the first thing that we must do is that we need to pick the bigger denominator. By bigger I mean we need to pick the denominator that has a bigger number at the front of the c. So now, meaning we're going to be choosing 7c cubed. So let's multiply by it on both sides of the equation. So we're going to have something like this: 7c cubed multiplied by 5 divided by 7c cubed, which is equals to 7c cubed open bracket w minus t divided by c cubed. Now this one is gonna cancel this one, and we're going to be left with 5. Now we're going to multiply 7c squared throughout the bracket. Now what are we going to have? So now 7c cubed multiplied by w, we're going to have 7c cubed w minus, we multiply 7c cubed with t divided by c cubed. Now the c cubed is going to cancel this one, and we're going to be left with 7 and t. Now 7 multiplied by t, we have 7t. Now because we are solving, or we are making c subject of our formula, we need to make sure that c stays on one side and the other go on the other side. So we can take this negative 7t here to the other side. Now we have 7 plus, we have 5 plus 7t, which is equals to 7c cubed multiplied by w. Now because we want our c left alone on one side, we can divide both sides by 7w. We divide by 7w, we're going to be left with c cubed, which is equals to 5 plus 7t divided by 7w. Now the question asks that we need to make c subject of our formula. Because we are only looking for c, we need to make c with one exponent. So now we can introduce the cubic root on both sides. So we can have the cubic root of c cubed, which is equals to the cubic root of 5 plus 7t divided by 7w. Now when we have a cubic root of a, what we know is that a is equals to a to the exponent of 3 to the exponent of 1 over 3. Now these are the laws of exponents. So meaning 3 multiplied by 1 over 3, the 3 will cancel this one, and we're going to be left with the 1. So now in our case here, we're going to be left with c, which is equals to the cubic root of 5 plus 7t divided by 7w.